The first time you may have heard of Chelsey Wright's campaign would have been on our Rebel Media video. This girl was raped and failed. The men who done it have not been brought to justice. We've come together now and we've met Daniel Burke. Daniel Burke is one of the country's leading lawyers in sexual offences and sexual crime. And then we now want to stop raising awareness about this issue and really fight for justice and get justice. And Daniel, you've agreed to take this case on?
Yes, it's an important case. I was sent the video. I saw it. The first thing that struck me was how tremendously courageous Chelsey had been in the circumstances, and we wanted to see what we could do to assist her.
And yeah, this is going to involve private investigators.
Well, yes. What we're looking to do, the Crown Prosecution Service made a decision not to charge a number of suspects who were arrested. We want to look at that decision and see if we can challenge it. Since 2011, it's become slightly easier in that the Court of Appeal have said that victims of offences where the CPS hasn't charged shouldn't have to have recourse to expensive and lengthy judicial review proceedings, and instead can bring a request for review under what's called the victim's right to review. So we want to see if the process will work here and submit an application to the CPS under the victim's right to review, but we want to collect evidence to support that. We want to ascertain exactly what went on here and to put together a bundle of evidence which we can present to the CPS and ask them to review their decision based on that.
Okay. We're in Chelsey's family's home here, where this has been an ordeal for yourself, obviously a huge ordeal, but for the whole family, the whole community has got behind this, the whole country's got behind it. And this isn't, Daniel's a lawyer for Chelsey. Chelsey's the client of Daniel. Rebel Media's role simply in this was raising awareness. It's now to raise funds and raise money in order to bring about justice. And Chelsey, I just want to see that you're comfortable with, after speaking with Daniel and meeting Daniel, you're comfortable with the role that he's taking and where this is heading.
Yeah, I'm fine with it all.
Yeah. You just want justice.
Yeah, I just want justice. So, like, it's a challenge, but I just want my life back.
Yeah.
So.
You've been courageous through the whole thing, and I think that's all I get of comments of people saying. And Chelsey isn't going to ask for anything. She hasn't asked for anything the whole way through this. I will. Yeah, I believe in this, and I should say as well, Daniel, you've given a reduced rate. Daniel, the lawyer here, has given a reduced rate because he believes in this case for his funds.
Right, it's an important case, and we want to help. There'll be, obviously, you know, we need barristers, we need investigators. There's significant costs in bringing any case like this.
This is us challenging the state. This is us challenging the police. This is going to run into the tens of thousands of pounds for this process. This is just the start of a fight back for justice, which is what we want. This is the right route to take, the legal process to take. I believe in this. I'm going to put the first £100 into this case, into this donation appeal. Now, what I'm asking you at home, if you've watched this campaign, Chelsey could be your daughter, she could be your sister. This is happening to girls across our country. This can be the case that we can start the fight back against and the struggle against, to raise awareness and to bring justice against the men that have been allowed to do this, allowed to do it because they've been let off. So I'm asking you personally, I'm asking you on behalf of myself, on behalf of everyone, on behalf of the family, if you can give £1, if you can give £5, £10, anything you can give, it's going to help to pay this. And this is going to be a long, hard battle for justice. Please get behind it and please support it. Please support Chelsey Wright.